Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to add list on your WhatsApp. Now list actually helps you to organize your WhatsApp properly, especially if you have a lot of chats on your WhatsApp. Now this is on default, this is all section. So if you drag it down, you are going to see some list here. This is the unread message, favorite, group, and then part. I actually created this one. So if you want to add interesting one or another one, just click on this area and then just add a group. I can say my ex, and then you click on add people or group. So you add all the people that you want to belong to this area. You add all of them, and then they are going to be appearing here under this area. But now if there is no message or they did not send you any message, you are not going to see anything. So in order for us to test it properly, let me go ahead and add one more. Okay, I cannot add more, so let me go ahead and delete this one. Right, so I just deleted it. I want to add a more visible one so that you guys will see. So I'm going to say GG, and then I'm going to do add, and I'm going to add these two. I'm going to confirm. Now you can see they are displaying under GG. If I click under ones, you can see they are empty. This is displaying under GG, so you can see them. So if for any reason you want to organize, click and hold, and you're going to see different options. You notice this says reorder, this says edit, which is probably to edit the name. So you can just say test and then confirm. Now you notice it has been changed. Click and hold to rearrange them or to reorder them. You click on it, and then you can drag this to wherever you want it. So I want this to be appearing first. Whenever I open the app, you can see it before the unread and then before the all. So let me go ahead and close my WhatsApp so that you guys also see it again. Now you notice it's not displaying, right? Just drag it down a little bit, and then you are going to see different lists. And then for some weird reason, this guy came back because it's on default, and this is the test, right? So this is how to create your list on WhatsApp, and I hope it's helpful. I will see you guys on the next one. Stay safe and peace.